What's going on, YouTube? So guys, today I'm here to review and unbox the Jordan Dub Zero, okay? Medium olive, gem red, black, okay? Originally, these sneakers were released in 2005. Let me see, 2005. What was I doing in 2005? 2005, all right? I was home. I had no job. At that time, there was no jobs, man. I was looking for a job. And I had just graduated college and all that stuff. And you know, your whole life you've been taught to go to school, you gotta get education. When you get an education, you go out and get a job. It's gonna work out for you, you know what I'm saying? But it doesn't work out like that all the time, you know what I'm saying? Not everybody that go to school graduate and get a job in their field. Sometimes you got people that drop out of school, you got people that do finish school and do everything the right way and they still can't get a job, you know what I'm saying? That's the life of a young black man in America, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of the times, you gotta be in a sorority, all right? If you were a sister, you gotta be in a fraternity if you're a brother. That's how people accept you into their organization sometimes. You know what I'm saying? If you are not part of fraternity, nobody wanna hire you, man, you know what I'm saying? So they have to know that you were one of my fraternity brothers back in college. I know so many people that went to college, that went to school to study this and to study that, and they got out of school and they ain't got no job, you know what I'm saying? They're doing something that's totally different from what they went to school for. You understand what I'm saying? If that's you right now, you ain't got to feel bad about that, man. You know what I mean? Because you know what? It is what it is, man. Not everybody has to go that route. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's not meant for you, you know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is, man, you know what I'm saying? Where's all the construction workers? Who's gonna do that? You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Well, who's gonna be the janitor? People that we need, you know what I'm saying? The bus drivers, you know what I mean? The train conductors. But enough about me. Let's talk about these kicks right here, right? These Jordan Dub Zeros, all right? Today, I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on foot of the Jordan Dub Zero, all right? Medium olive, gem red, and black, all right? And if you don't have these shoes yet, they come in a box that looks just like this, all right? By the way, guys, I reviewed 2 of these kicks on my channel already, all right? And I'm talking about the one in all black and the one in the gem red and black, all right? The all black, it's got the etchings of all the Jordans from 1 to 20 on it, all right? Let's take a look at these kicks. Let's see what it looks like. Let me give you guys a 360 real quick, all right? Show you the top, and let me show you the bottom. All right, guys, so you guys already know that these Jordans were released in 2005, all right? These are made of leather, all right? Suede, rubber, all right? And plastic, all right? These leather, by the way, guys, Feels so smooth, all right? It actually reminds me of the Jordan 11 breads, all right? It's so smooth, right? This leather is so smooth, and also this suede right there is so fire. I just love that, all right? This leather part is called the medium olive, all right? That's the color, all right? As you guys know, these Jordans right here, like I said, was released in 2005, all right? It's basically a mesh of different Jordans together, all right? To me, this actually look like the 12s to me, if you ask me. These actually look like the 12s. And this parts remind me of the 6s, you know what I mean? This Jordan right here is definitely dope. They're very light on the feet. If you ever wear these shoes, they're very light on the feet, you know what I'm saying? These cost about $160 retail, okay? That's how much you have to pay if you're gonna be buying one of these. But these are so fire, man. It's so dope. I mean, look at it. You know what I mean? Out of all the Jordan Dub Zero colors, I really feel like I like these ones the most. You understand what I'm saying? I like these ones the most because it's just the color. You understand what I'm saying? Definitely dope. You know what I mean? This camouflage part is killing it right here. It's just killing it. Loving that cream color right there also, right? This comes in like some sort of cream color. I'm not sure if it's white or cream, but it looks more like cream to me. And take a look at the bottom right there where it has that Jordan logo in the middle. That's the black and that's the gym red, all right? Yeah, man. These are dope, man. All right? Are these, let me know, guys. Would you wear these? Would you rock these? Or would you not? You know what I mean? I'll wear it. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely wear these. You understand what I'm saying? All right, guys. There you have it. The Jordan Dub Zero medium olive, gym red, black. All right. Unboxed, reviewed by Sky Dukes. All right. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. All right. If you are new to this channel, please click that like button and click that subscribe button. And if you're not new, click that like button and click that share button. All right. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Or maybe I might not. Who knows? One